Hello students. In the today's session we'll talk about pharmacology of nootropics. The term nootropic is derived from ancient Greek words nous meaning mind and trope meaning turning. So nootropics are the drugs that are responsible for the turning of mind. That is, these are the drugs that enhance mental performance. These drugs are found to improve memory as well as cognition. And cognition, as we all know, is the ability to think, plan, judge and make decision. So nootropics are the drugs that improve memory as well as cognition. They are found to be useful in the management of dementia. Now, as far as the nootropics are concerned, research is at preliminary stage as of 2020, and the effect of nootropics is not fully understood, and their mechanism of action is also not very clear. Now, even though the therapeutic benefits are limited, indications of nootropics are as follows. It is found to be useful in the management of Alzheimer's disease. It is a neurodegenerative disease and it is the most common cause of dementia. They are indicated in the management of mild cognitive impairment and dementia in elderly, characterized by symptoms like dizziness, memory lapses. Then they are found to be useful in the management of mental retardation in children and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, which is normally seen in children, characterized by inattentiveness, inability to concentrate, restlessness, hyperactivity, inability to complete tasks, impulsivity. They are found to be useful in the management of transient ischemic attacks, that is a cerebrovascular ischemia associated with impairment of memory and cognition, and very useful in the management of dementia associated with the cerebrovascular and traumatic disorders. Now, this slide talks about the various important reasons responsible for the impairment of memory and cognition. Now, cholinergic neurotransmission is very essential for the processing of memory and learning. On the other hand, neurotransmission via NMDA glutamate receptors is responsible for the synaptic plasticity and survival of neuron. Now, as we all know, minute-to-minute changes are continuously happening between neurons, and these changes in the neuronal connections are required for memory and learning, and this is termed as a synaptic plasticity. Synaptic plasticity and the survival of neurons is mediated by NMDA glutamate receptors. So, proper functioning of NMDA glutamate receptors and cholinergic neurotransmission is essential for the processing of memory and learning. Now, let's see normally what happens during the impairment of memory and cognition, the main causes behind dementia. On the one side, there is fall in the levels of acetylcholine in the brain, that is, there is a reduced cholinergic neurotransmission responsible for the impairment of memory and cognition. On the other hand, excessive NMDA receptor activity can also be there, which can cause excitotoxicity and the neuronal death. Now, this excitotoxicity and neuronal death also is responsible for the impairment of memory and cognition. So, those agents like that is the nootropic agents are the agents which produce proper functioning of acetylcholine, that is they produce balanced cholinergic neurotransmission, and they are also responsible for balancing the neurotransmission mediated by NMDA glutamate receptors without producing side effects. So, these drugs are the drugs which nootropic drugs are the drugs which produce improvement in memory and cognition by balancing the cholinergic neurotransmission, by balancing the NMDA receptor mediated neurotransmission, and they produce improvement in memory and cognition without producing the side effects, and they are also neuroprotective. Now we'll talk about certain characteristic features of nootropics. Nootropics improve memory and cognition, as we have already seen. They are found to be useful in the management of dementia. They selectively improve efficacy of higher telencephalic integrative activities. Very important feature of nootropics. They modulate cholinergic and glutaminergic neurotransmission within the required range, and therefore they are neuroprotective, as well as they improve neuroplasticity. And nootropics improve memory and cognition without producing serious side effects. That means these drugs are found to be very safe drugs. They are neuroprotective drugs, and they also improve neuroplasticity. Basic mechanism of action at molecular and cellular levels of nootropics is not very well known, and a very good example of nootropics is the piracetam. So this is all about the pharmacology of nootropics. Thanks for watching the video.